if something's not right, then I want to step in. It's easy for me to stand up for somebody else, but necessarily for myself, I may not do it, right? Because I feel like I can take it. But if somebody's hurting, or if I just see that something's not right, I can get in there. Whether that bully is, an attorney that's being really difficult, or whether it's, it's just the other side. It's just like I want to do the right thing. And so that is my driving force. So my name is Damian Castaneda, and the name of my company is Castaneda & Company, and we specialize in real estate litigation. And what that means is we represent buyers in transactions against sellers. So when the sellers mess up and they don't disclose something that the buyer didn't know, then we go after the sellers, and a buyer's agent is professional, they're licensed, and they trust them. We put a lot of confidence in them. But the problem is they don't really have the knowledge, they don't have the skill set. They just show up to smile, collect their big paycheck. And meanwhile, the buyers, they've saved up this big down payment. This is, they want to buy their dream house. And there's a big problem, right, that the seller didn't disclose. And so that's where we step in to try to make things right. I think some people become lawyers because they want the status, or they have this kind of power, right? For me, because of the environment that I grew up, I never felt like I was good enough, right? So with that dysfunctionality came some good, right? Some people use it for a positive experience, some people use it for a negative experience. The way I took that was I had to be the fastest kid on the block. And so I became a very competitive person. If it was basketball, it's like, I'm gonna take you one-on-one, let's go, right? So I was always trying to make myself better. When it was school, I'm just grinding it out. I don't look at it as power that I have for my clients. I look at it, it's like an obligation. It's like, I have to make sure that I'm the best that I can possibly be, and I wanna keep getting better and better. Like the biggest compliment that somebody ever paid me is, like, I feel like I'm talking to a friend. Whatever their problem is, it's like, it's now my problem. And I see some people, they freak out more than others. They take on this stress. I'm like, no. That's like what I'm here for. You hired me to take your problem out. So, stop worrying about it. It's helping people, but it's just righting that wrong. When I see those real estate agents, and I'm like, you make so much money. You don't have any knowledge. You don't have any skills. You're more concerned about looking good on your Instagram and dressing up and looking all pretty. And it's like, I'm going to hold you accountable for it. And so you need to know what you're doing. You need to help people, not hurt them, right? These people trusted you.